All right. So we had a customer who called us and said, hey, we got this credit union. What we're going to do is we have 2 stores with the gentleman. He said, what we're going to do is we are going to close the store number 2. And we're going to run it to the end of the month. And after we get done, then we're going to close the store up. So we waited to the end of the month. Now it was the last week in March. And we saw it wasn't doing any transactions. We went to the store because we thought it was still open. It wasn't open. Called the owner. The owner says, oh, I closed the store last week. I got to the end of the month before I have to get out. So we'll arrange next week, Tuesday, come pick the ATM up. Okay, great. We go there on Tuesday. He's not there. So he calls, he says, oh, I had to take my wife to the doctor. I'm sorry, I forgot. You guys were coming. I was going to meet you there. And now I met my wife to the doctor. And said, well, we can wait around. He's like, no, it's going to be 3-4 hours. We can't do anything. So I said, okay, great. I'm really aggravated at this point because we drove a long way to get there to remove the ATM. 2 guys in a truck to do this. All right. So call the guy Wednesday. This was a Tuesday. Call the guy Wednesday. He doesn't answer. Thursday, he's not answering. Call the other store. The person answers the phone. He says he's not here. Finally get a hold of the guy on Friday. Say, hey, brother, what's going on? Monday is the first of the month. What are we going to do? He's like, oh, I just want to let you know, I talked to the new owner. He wants the ATM. He's going to be there. He's going to remodel the store. And then he wants the ATM. I told him you guys are great. And so, you know what? What I thought was bad luck because we couldn't get in the store to remove the ATM is actually going to turn into be good luck because the new owner wants the ATM. So we didn't really lose the location. We gained a new partnership with a new guy. And who knows, maybe that guy's going to open up 2 or 3 stores just like the other guy did. So sometimes if you wait long enough, things happen. I guess, they always say things happen for the right reason. I don't know, but in this case, it worked out. So sometimes just doing a little waiting works out.